Hey boss, welcome again to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to be working with the tools. How to use this tool. Now the other one was just demonstration. I'm going to move this off. I don't need it off now. I'm going to just cancel it off because I don't need it anymore. I don't need those stuffs. Okay, so we just have our stuff like normal. Yeah, now this is what I have to let you know. This is what I have to explain to you. Underneath here we have different tools that I want to work with you. The tools used to program in Microsoft Word VBA. Okay, so Visual Basic for Applications tools is what I want to let you know. Now this is not advanced programming interface, is not even VBA 6, is too kind of low compared to what you guys know. But actually I have guys who are very confident, who are very fine with the Microsoft applications, and they find it kind of utilized or good for their kids or for their students from primary, secondary, or high school or college, whatever, to try to see how they can actually try to play around with it so that they can always be in Microsoft Word, because it's easier to install, and then activating up the app developer tool, which is also already inside that application inside Microsoft Word, and then they start up something for themselves. So I think this is going to be actually something very, very important for you guys to get note and then get to know how to look onto on the other way around, how to start up programming with this. Otherwise, let's get started. Now this is some of the tools I have to let you know. You just need to go to Toolbox. If you don't see Toolbox there, you need to go to where they say Windows, and then you click on, where is it, under Tools, Options. So if you click on Options, you should find cancel this first. We have debug, we have these tools now, tools, and you go there, additional controls. We have this blah blah stuff, but I don't want to go into that now at the moment. I want first to let you know mainly from point blank. I think this is it. If you guys happen to do some kind of stuff and then you forget your tools, I need to comment down below, because I want to let you look onto the other way around how I can get back your tool. No, we have some few things down here. We have your tools, like you can see. Toolbox is just underneath here. That implies if you don't have it, like now you see I don't have it, make sure you click there, get it back. Is it okay? So if you don't have the toolbox, don't worry. Now I just want you guys to comment down below in this video if you're trying to find out you have been actually using Microsoft application of VBA and then you don't have see some of the tools. Which tool don't you see, and blah blah, so that I can let you know how to do that. Now this is it. So this is to run, and this is to break if I told it was already running. Like for instance, if I click here to run, if I want to make this break, I can click here. If I go back here and I see, you see, I can't click on run anymore. So if I want to stop it, I can just click on break. Now clicking break means this application is going to stand alone. Where is it? That application that has been running is now a standalone application. You get? It's now standalone. It's here. So it's not monitored by this anymore. But if you want to stop it, you just need to click that to reset it back. And that's what happens just there. Then we also have this one here, which is called design mode. This is like when I click there, I'm like on the design mode. That implies I can't stop, I can't do what. It's like I've really gone to the design kind of. So it's not running anymore. And then you have this one here, which is the project whatever explorer, which then enables us to run the project. And then on the other way around, we also have one as object browser. When you click there, it shows some of the panels on what we have. You get? And then this is tool, and then this is help. Now those are some of the tools that I have to explain to you. Then also underneath here we have normal project, which definitely gave us the project name. Remember, we haven't yet happened to save our project anywhere, which I will show you on the next video. How do we really save up your Microsoft Word application document on Visual Basic Programming, and then we happen to save it. Then here down is what I want us to go into. We have select button. I give us something, have something to select within here. We click here, and then you have this is label, whereby if I try to come back here, you can always draw something there, and I simply say maybe please subscribe, subscribe to OSP Pro channel. If that's the case, can always go back here, click there, I can always go to my font as usual, and I click there and try to maximize that font as big as I wish so that I can get what I need. So that's simply what I maybe say the work of a label. A label is just to give us the name of what we want. That's the work of the label, writing the name of what we want down. You get? Yes, so label just works in that way. it gives us a chance to write what we want down. You get? Yeah, so that's the work of the label. And then we also have other tools that maybe I'm going to work with you guys so that you can get to know how they really work and how to use them, so that you get a chance to see how to use some of those other stuffs around here. Now, without me wasting time, or without me wasting your time, we have this also called the text box. Text box, when you click on text box looks like that. It's like a screen, you guys. It's like a screen. But it's like where you expect to add some values later on. We also have something called the combo box. Combo box works like this. It's like an option. It's like a selection option. We have these options down. We click there. I give assumptions. Things were added there. So if you have blah blah there, you have blah blah there. Now this is like a selection. So if you click here, I think you can see. It's like a selection box. It's like there are more options down there. Yeah. Then we also have other few tools around here. We also have one known as list box. I said there's text box, there's list box, there's check box. When you click there, I think you can see it's checking, waiting for some of the other tools. We also have optional button. We also have these tango tools. You get tango tools, which either says yes or no. Okay? You either say yes or no. It's like a button for yes and button for no. You see? That implies maybe it's click. That's off. On. See? That's a tango button. We also have other more tools down here. We also have one as a frame. Like if you want to add something inside a frame, that's how a frame is given. And each frame you can even move of what is inside of the frame, like that. And just have a nice frame like that. And then we also have combo box or button. So not combo box, but a button. Which button is always used for something, like maybe like what we see previously, like someone to update something. Then multiple button pages. These are multiple pages, looks like have this page, have the next page, blah blah. And then we also have other more the scroll button, scroll tool. Like you can actually set scroll down for this stuff. You can set scroll. You get? So someone can easily scroll on this stuff using it. So if you try to click here, I think you can see there's a scroll. So you can always create a scroll in your Microsoft Word using Visual Basic. So this accomplishes some of the tools, and there are more tools that you can definitely use. There's even for image that when you drag here, I think you can see this is for an image. And if you try to click here, this is an image kind of option. That implies if you want to add an image, you can always add the image tool, and when you click there, you can code for the image. Then on the other way around, you also have other tools like spin button, and when you click there, this spin button works like this. You can always maximize that. So I hope you guys can see some of the tools that we have. This spin button for either go down, and then we have this one here which maybe have list of things within and have already set the height. So otherwise guys, those are some of the sample tools I have for you guys. On the next video, stay tuned to the next video, which I'm going to work with you to show you some new tricks, on how to save our Microsoft Word VBA application with OSP Pro. Otherwise guys, stay safe and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Thank you.